The new Volvo XC70 is Volvo Cars' first long-range plug-in hybrid, delivering over 200 kilometers of all-electric range under the CLTC cycle, the longest of any Volvo plug-in hybrid to date. Built on the company's scalable modular architecture, the XC70 expands Volvo's lineup with a model designed for customers who want more electric range. Pre-orders are now open in China, with plans to launch in Europe later. Fast charging takes the battery from 0 to 80% in just 23 minutes. The car also supports bidirectional charging, allowing the battery to power external devices such as camping or outdoor equipment. For longer journeys, the efficient combustion engine extends the total driving range to more than 1,200 kilometers without stopping for fuel or charging. The XC70's design blends Scandinavian heritage with modern refinement. Clean, sculpted lines, a tapered roof, and a strong shoulder give it a solid yet dynamic stance. At the front, a closed shield grille with active shutters optimizes aerodynamics and efficiency. While at the rear, integrated C-shaped taillights create a sleek, contemporary finish. Inside, the cabin features a 12.3-inch driver display and a wide 15.4-inch center screen. The horizontal format makes navigation clear while keeping other functions easily accessible. An optional 92-inch augmented reality head-up display adds an immersive layer to the driving experience. The infotainment system includes digital services and an AI-powered voice assistant, offering natural control of car functions and online search. Intelligent driver support features such as lane change assist, park pilot assist, and active navigation further enhance safety and comfort. Production of the XC70 has begun, with availability starting in China.
嗨，小沃，打开香氛，打开休憩模式，
已打开。
We have come to Yaxi in Inner Mongolia to test a brand new model that will be introduced to the market soon. The Volvo XC70.
作为沃尔沃品牌第一款超长续航插混车型，我们希望它能载着用户去到任何地方，当然也包括极寒地带。
Every Volvo car undergoes comprehensive performance verification by engineers in extreme cold conditions. Volvo is one of the few manufacturers that test chassis hardware performance on icy and snowy roads. To evaluate vehicle stability at the limit, we disabled the electronic stability system. We evaluate the vehicle both on limit and over the limit, striving to find a good balance between driving confidence and fun to drive.
在极寒环境下，我们同样注重驾驶平顺性。通过验证低温环境下的动力系统平顺性，关注严寒条件下的性能表现，让这台车在冰雪路面也能畅快驰骋。除了测试制动距离，我们也关注制动踏板反馈是否可预判和舒适，制动系统工作是否安静平稳。即使面对一边冰雪一边沥青的极端路况，我们也要确保这台车能稳稳停住，给消费者十足的安全感。
Safety, controllability and predictability have always been the core of Volvo's brand DNA.
我们希望为用户带去的不只是在冰雪环境中安全抵达，也要在舒适的驾乘体验中期待每一次出发。
After enduring extremely cold tests at -30 degrees, we have now brought the Volvo XC70 to one of the hottest places in China, the Flaming Mountain.
作为沃尔沃首款基于 SMA 超级混动架构的车型，我们将对它进行一系列严苛测试，来确保硬件和软件更好的协同，为用户带去舒适、健康且安全的驾乘体验。沃尔沃 XC70 配备了大容量电池包，用户可以通过沃尔沃汽车 App 远程开启空调，提前预冷。即使在如此极端高温的环境下，也无需启动燃油发动机，让每一次出发都能舒适启程。
Volvo also places great emphasis on in-car air quality. We drove the vehicle aggressively in a dusty environment to test the durability of the vehicle sealing and the air purification function, to validate you always breathe healthy air.
极端高温也容易导致电池和电机过热，造成续航里程、输出功率的折损，甚至带来安全隐患。我们致力于3电系统的无感化热管理，核心目标是希望用户全然感知不到后台运行的复杂控制逻辑，在任何气候环境下都能更专注于驾驶本身。
The all-new scalable modular architecture represents Volvo's confidence in elevating safety, comfort, and long-range capabilities in the luxury plug-in hybrid segment.
从极寒到极热，我们相信沃尔沃 XC70 能为用户带去的是从容的出发、舒适的远行，当然还有安全的抵达。
Welcome to Volvo Cars Safety Center, one of the most advanced crash labs in the world, where we're about to test our new Volvo XC70. We're testing a frontal collision with a narrow object at 50 kilometers per hour. In real life, this might be something like a traffic bollard or a lamppost. This is a test that isn't required by standardized testing, but we test for real-life scenarios. When a car hits something narrow, the force is focused on one small spot. That extra pressure on the front of the car could make it more likely to deform the cabin inside. These crash test dummies represent a family of 4. 2 adults in the front, a 10-year-old on a booster cushion, and a 6-year-old in a Volvo booster seat in the back. Let's go! During the impact, the front of the XC70 deforms exactly as it should. It transfers the force into the safety cage to help absorb the impact, while the safety cage itself stays intact. The safety belts pre-tension and tighten themselves around the occupants, and the airbags deploy immediately. The doors can still be opened from both inside and outside. This test indicates there would be no serious injuries to the occupants. This is just one of many physical and virtual tests we put the new Volvo XC70 and all our cars through, all with the same goal: to make every journey the safest it can be.